Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Trivia Night. This is our second category. And as you remember in my first explanation, we traditionally host Trivia Night, a live version on the first Wednesdays of every month. But because of coronavirus, we're going to try putting our individual categories online for you to play along at home. So, our second category for our April edition is What's Wrong with This Picture? And if you'd like, if you are playing along at home and you'd like to submit your answers to us, please send them to beth@monroectr.org. And we'd love to get some feedback and see if you are enjoying these. All right, so our first category is what's wrong with this picture. So I'm going to give you a photograph or a picture. You are to look it over and find what is pretty blatantly wrong with the picture. Although some of them are more subtle than others. So in this case, June 31st is wrong. There is no 31st of June. June ends with the 30th. All right, so can be kind of sneaky. Good luck. So your first picture is what is wrong with this photo? What is wrong with this photo? And you will know it when you see it. All right, you can use your pause button to take a look at the photo for longer. I'm gonna move on. Second photo. Something is very wrong with this photo. All right. So what is wrong with this photo? Moving on to question 3. Something is eerily wrong with this photo, besides the fact that it's a little blurry. All right. You don't forget to use your pause button. I'm going to move on to photo 4. All right. What is wrong with this photo? This one's a tough one, but then pretty laughable at the end. All right, good luck. Don't forget to use your pause. Moving on. Photo 5. This one too is a little tricky, but pretty funny once you realize what it is. All right. And ready for the answers. We've got our answers coming up, so make sure you pause if you're still looking over these photos. You can use your back button as well. All right, so what is wrong with these photos? Well, if you're standing on the moon, then you probably aren't looking at the moon. So that is the problem with photo 1. That probably should be the Earth. All right. Ever been to England? What side of the road do they drive on? That driver should be on the other side of the bus. That was a hard one, I know. All right, did you find the creepy thing about this photo? Why is that girl's hand over there when it's on her lap? Like, who is that? This one's funny. I did not catch this one, but did you notice that they are sitting on absolutely nothing? There's no bottom to this bench. So I'm thinking these are like dancers or somebody with very strong legs. I don't know. This one made me laugh. I don't think I noticed what it was until they showed me. And for those of you who are familiar with laptops, that laptop is upside down. So that's the bottom of the laptop. He is looking at his keyboard. So that's pretty funny. All right, I hope you enjoyed category 2. Look for more. Have a great day and stay safe out there, everybody. And don't forget, you can send your answers to beth@monroectr.org. Take care.